Hello everyone, this is Hugh, and today I wanted to do a quick follow-up on my last review of the Metatrader 5 iPhone app. If you saw the last review, I wasn't too happy with it. I thought it was okay, but it was just kind of a mediocre um, uh, charting app for Forex, and I thought they could really do better considering their desktop software is so good. But I recently got a notification that they have a new update, so I downloaded it and let's check it out. Okay, so I'm going to launch it here, and you probably can't see, but this is build 485, and as you can see, the quotes come up pretty quickly, and the numbers are already changing color, so you can see that the quotes are coming in. The startup is super quick compared to before, so that's good. Next thing is the charting, which was my primary concern and where most other software fails in my opinion. So let's check out the charting. As you can see, the chart loads pretty quickly, and keep in mind that this is a pretty old iPhone 3G, so the processing power is pretty slow, and it's most of the time when it's not too responsive, it's the phone itself, not the software. So looks like it's loading some new data, so it's taking a little while. But once it gets loaded, it's actually pretty quick. Let me go back to this view. Okay, that seems like a little bit easier for the software to handle. So what I really like about it is that you can now add more than one indicator, which is pretty common sense in most on a desktop computer, but I guess it's a lot harder to achieve on a mobile phone. So if we take a look at the indicators that we can use, now I have two indicators on the chart, the moving average and the MACD, which is pretty nice. I don't like the MACD in Metatrader, but that's beside the point. And if you want to add more indicators, you can just click this plus sign up here, and there's a whole bunch of indicators that you can add. There's stuff like Bollinger Bands, envelopes, standard deviation, etc., etc. And there's a good 15 or 16 different indicators that you can add, and that's a pretty big step up from before, when there were only like 3 or 4. So that's a good thing. And the charting is great. You can zoom in and zoom out like before, and you have the regular or the standard time periods on the top here. And what I also noticed was a little different was how snappy the program is. Like if you change between the tabs here, it's pretty much instantaneous, and before it took a little while to load each tab. So that's another good thing about this new build. And well, that's about it. So to my knowledge, this is the first app that will allow you to add multiple indicators to the charts. I still have to experiment to see how this is going to work with actually trading it, putting it in a demo or a live account. So that's my next test for this app. But otherwise, I think it's progressing pretty nicely. It's a lot better than other stuff that I've seen on the market, and it's pretty quick. I'm sure this would be a lot faster on a iPhone 4. So pretty nice. If you want to check it out, feel free. It's a free download, and I would love to hear what you think about it. Leave me a comment below, or send me an email. Okay, thanks for watching.